back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing a wig that I got, not really me, my aunt, from Terristylez. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. And subscribe. Follow me. I appreciate the support. I mean, you're already here, right? You like my videos. I hope you like me or at least find me entertaining. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. So my aunt in Trinidad, as I mentioned to you guys before, I am going to be going home for Carnival. And my aunt wanted a wig. And I'm not really in the market of making wigs. It just takes me entirely too long, and the amount of money that you would spend, and it just makes sense, especially for Terristylez. I find her wigs are affordable. The hair quality is good. So she had me order a wig for her. It's a different texture, so that's the reason why we're going to be unboxing it on my channel. I do have to eventually color this hair for her. Yeah, I don't think it came colored. So I do have to eventually put some like brown streaks in it for her just to give it a little bit more of a natural look. So that's going to be in a separate video. Hopefully she'll be present in that video. But we paid $4.48. It's the 20-inch Malaysian 4/8 curls with a custom colored closure, dark roots. Brown. We'll see. But yeah, this will be interesting. So paid a total of $4.64 with shipping. It's Terristylez. I don't remember if she had her name on her box before. I can't recall, but this is nice. Oh. Well, that saves me the hassle. I don't know why I couldn't recall that it was colored, but it's colored. It smells amazing. Smells amazing. I'm probably going to put it in this box when I'm traveling. But that saves me the hassle of having to color. Oh, this is nice. And it's soft. Now, one thing she mentions on her Instagram that she gets from a lot of people is that when you're looking at hair and the hair has been shipped and it's been sitting in a box, obviously it's not going to look the way it looks on her page. That's, in my mind, it's common knowledge. It's flat, it's being bent, but I do like it. It's really soft. Really, really soft. It's very full. The color is pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the color. Hopefully my camera focuses. Yeah, the color is very pretty. I don't know if my aunt's going to want me to make it a little bit lighter for her. I'm going to wait until I get to Trinidad to, you know, have her try it out. I'm not going to put any product in the hair right now because, like I said, that video is going to be coming. I'm not sure if I'm going to add that on to the end of this video or if I'm just going to film another video when I get home. It's going to be a while for that update, so bear with your girl because I'm not going home until next month. But it's soft. It smells really good. It's 20 inches, but curl that's probably going to come to right about here. Yeah, I like it. It's nice. Sorry, I'm a little bit distracted. This hair is really soft. For the way that it... I don't want to say the way that it looks because you wouldn't think that this texture of hair would be soft. And I think you guys can actually see some of the curls on camera. You see a lot of that definition in there. But it's really, really nice. I'm going to insert a picture up here or here if I can find it from her page, showing you what this hair actually looks like once it's styled. But I'm excited. So this is going to be a part 1 of this video because the other part, we're going to be filming that in Trinidad when it's on my aunt's head, hopefully. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this portion of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.